Understanding how much profit each individual sale generates is vital for business success. Here is what contribution margin actually means. At its core, this metric looks at the money left over from a sale after covering the direct costs to produce that item. The math is straightforward. You take your selling price and subtract only the costs that change based on how many units you make. These are your variable costs. They are the expenses that fluctuate directly with your production volume, unlike fixed costs like rent. Don't confuse this with net profit. While net profit looks at everything, contribution margin isolates how well a single product covers fixed obligations. A healthy margin means you have more money available to pay for fixed costs like administrative salaries, utilities, and office rent. Businesses with strong margins have much more breathing room when the economy shifts or competition increases. Use this metric to analyze your product line and make better operational decisions. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more basics.